are you all doing? I hope you guys are doing well. I am also doing amazing, as you can see. So welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm coming at you from Ghana, which is in West Africa. So all of you, welcome to Ghana, the gateway to Africa. So it's a beautiful day. I thank God for today. The weather is so bright, the sun is up and searing. I won't even lie to you. It's just about 9 a.m. in the morning and the sun is so searing, but then we still have to go out and go about our daily activities. So today's vlog is just about me going out for my phone, which had a fault, and I sent it for repairs, and from there I go to our school campus here for my document, and finally I take you to a local community here in Accra, where we get a chance to taste the most underrated but very nutritious local African beverage. So if you're excited, make sure you watch the video to the end, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. We are on our way to 5,000, which is long overdue, so please support so we can hit our target. So yeah, that's what it is. Let's hit the road. I bought my phone for repairs. I just hope that the guy is there. Good morning. Please, where is the guy who repairs the phone?
Oh, check there.
This one?
No.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Good morning.
Yeah, it's such a beautiful day.
Thank you.
So this is why I don't want to come. I just want to come. Buy away from home. We are buying boxers.
You are buying boxers. What your boxer is saying? Oh, okay. Over to swam, mommy. What is up with the mention boxer?
Oh, okay. But maybe old drama.
Brother Ben.
Come and sit down. She will pay for this one. She will pay for this one.
Oh, okay.
I'll pay for what?
This one.
You are not prepared to pony. Look at the plenty money you are.
This one is plenty money. Don't let your mind deceive you. See my brother with plenty money. A real hustler. I wish you well, bro.
Are you from Nigeria?
Tomorrow,
Are you Nigerian?
tomorrow we'll talk more about it.
Please, where is my phone?
We have to go.
We have to go where? That's what I don't want. I told you that get the phone, let the phone be with you. Then I come for the
So
phone.
if I don't have the money, then
You don't have which money? Normally, if you are repairing something, they ask you to pay parts. When you pay that part, you count. When the thing is ready, you give the person the money and you take the phone.
That's why I pay the part you make. This is not a part payment you make for me. I have to pay the part. And even I get the money, if I could have taken the phone long time. Finish the phone long time. Then keep it here. But I don't have that money. If I take my money and take the phone. So what if I need money to eat?
You need
know
money.
how to manage ourselves.
You need
in this
no.
country.
But when I came, you should have told me initially that I do not repair phones here. You know that was a mistake you did. If I knew that you do not repair phones here,
Why I don't repair phones here? The
I
job
will
you brought
know.
to me is on the board. So I don't work IC. I have a trusted person that will do IC for me. I getting it. Don't tell me I don't repair phone here. Which other work I don't fix here? What will require machine for me to check on?
that one
I
is
don't do
icy.
here.
That is
It's
why
icy.
you don't do it here.
So I don't do it there because I don't have the machine, and I have a trusted person that can do it for me. Why are you saying like that? As if all this job you are seeing here, as if I'm not the one fixing them.
Which one?
All this phone you are seeing here.
Where is the phone? Is there a phone here?
This one, sir, I just changed the screen recently. This one, I don't know.
Because going up and down like that is drastic for me. Alright guys, so when I came, the phone wasn't with him, so we had to go to Circle for the phone. So let's do this one.
Super ego.
This is not even what I wanted. You, it's okay. Yes. He said he wants chocolate. Me, I don't want it. I don't like it. So guys, this one is a popular street dessert on the streets of Ghana. How much is that? Hold the camera. Give me. No, I don't like the way you are. How you are holding it.
Let the camera.
It's okay. Left. They are doing something to hold that. You have done the thing like this. So what are you?
This one is taking my attention.
Alright guys, we are currently at the Kwame Nkrumah Circle. Right? He's taking me to the shop where we took the phone to, so that I can get my phone. We should have alighted here. So where did you? That was why I said we should alight and just go. He said we should go to the far end. So what is the reason for going there? So when we get to the shop, I'll let you guys know. As usual, we have come and the Ribera is not there. Look, it's not there. So I have to wait like the last time we started here for so long before he came. I don't know when he'll come. So I'll just be sitting here waiting. My friend.
Are you a journalist?
No, sir. Long time. My good friend. How is business?
It's been a while. What else?
No, I've not forgotten you. I think about you every day. Just like I don't have
Where do you went and see that?
It's dirty. That's place.
How do you went and sit there?
See, I'm waiting for your friend.
For my friend.
No,
I told you we are coming to sit down here and wait.
You didn't tell me.
I didn't tell you.
Palm wine. Mebuana.
I didn't go in the room.
The coffee.
And then, thanks to you.
David. Minsa. Never. Minsa. Baku. Please stop. Please hold it. I'm waiting. I think if you take me carrying the girl, you are taking something. Give me my phone.
Man, our friend will be running.
Where's the money? Oh, the money is gone. Matthew. You do drink palm wine. Oh, you're a Christian to him. You don't drink palm wine. Drink it first. This one is not, I don't think, but this one is proper palm wine. This one, it doesn't even look like palm wine. You're throwing it away. You drink it.
I don't like it in your sugar.
Is it okay?
How them
It's in your sugar.
it's in your sugar. This one is good one. This one is a good one. I know
It's good one. Ah. This one is like fermented corn dough. I hope when I drink it, I will not misbehave. Huh?
To show that he's strong.
Oh, really?
You're making video.
Yeah. Ajay, you said it's good though. I don't want my stomach.
Put your hand up, I should send you so much.
Are you sure this one is? Yeah, I've taken palm wine before. This is not how it tastes. The palm wine is already working on you. Guys, you know, I've still been waiting for the guy repairing the phone. We've been here. I've spent more than almost how many hours? 5 hours. And he's still not here. What time did we come? We came at 12. 12, it is 3. Okay, 3 hours. But that's a lot of hours. He should just tell us the time that he's coming. Isn't it? Tell us when you are coming so that we will know. Is that one too difficult to ask for? Is it too difficult to ask for? My phone has been here for more than 2 weeks. Ghana here, and you do not do things on time. Seriously. You told us to be waiting. At least give us time. You are not giving us time. Even that one to do after 3 hours, you are still saying that we should wait for you. You are coming. What time are you coming?
You should send the money so that I will take the phone. Had it been I come, then he gave me the phone. Then I come and keep it. He did not come for it so that he paid the money. Let me go and balance.
How will I not come for it? I told you that go for the phone. I'll come and take the phone.
That's the reason why you should have sent the money.
I should send the money. I've not seen my phone. I should send the money.
That means you are not trusting the job that.
What even?
Your phone is with me. Is it 300 that I'm going
even this person, do I know him?
No, your phone is with me.
Is it with you? The phone is not even with you.
That's the reason why I should.
Yes, it's not even with you. How can I even send you money again? Alright guys, let's continue. So I couldn't get my phone. The repairer couldn't come, but he told us to be waiting since morning. I've waited for 5 good hours, and it got to a time he just refused to pick his calls. Like, if you are doing business, is that how you should deal with your customers? That is uncalled for. It's such a cop-out. But you know, Ghanaians and business, most Ghanaians and business and time, that is how they behave. You will not see this with Nigerians. Nigerians are very serious with their business. Do you understand? That's one thing, you know, I do not like about Ghanaians. So this is where we are. Alright guys, so there was too much noise around that place, so yeah. Yeah, so we are now ready to go to the local community that I told you about. We are going there to taste that most underrated beverage, African beverage. So yeah, come along with me and let's go. Are you selling the goats? Oh, like I want to buy one. I want to go and slaughter one this night and celebrate. I want to slaughter one this night and celebrate with it. And do chichinga. Hey, I can't rush. Hey.
I'm in a video, very video.
It's about wahala. Changing So the reason why we had to change the vehicle was that the first one, when they were stopping, was not viable. The police were there, so they had to run. And the driver left the conductor. Can you imagine? So we have to rush. Telling me, we are like boarding front. You guys know already. So we are still on our way to the local community for our African. So today too, I went to eat Nigerian food with this guy. With this guy who has sabotaged me.
Me has sabotaged you.
Yes.
Me has sabotaged you.
Yes.
God punish.
God punished me.
God will not punish anybody.
So welcome to Labari, shortly known as La. Yes, please.
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
Yes. It's just like the palm wine.
Sorry.
It's like the
Take time.